Am I good at cooking? Who's better, mommy or papa?
Papa.
Okay, babe, I've got to run.
Sure.
This is the recipe for Jonty's
Yep,
birthday.
cool.
You got it?
Of course, we've got this, Charlie. Are you ready?
All right, see you, hon. You gonna help Papa?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, bye.
Bye. Papa, it's not printed properly.
Yeah, don't worry, darling. We'll be fine. It tastes perfect.
Look. I think we need to call Grandma.
What are you talking about?
That doesn't taste like Mummy's.
Yes, it does.
Dad, I'm gonna go now.
Yeah, don't worry. I've got this.
Hey, hon.
Hi.
How did it go?
Yeah, good. I think I've done well. Do you want to try it?
Sure. It's not quite right.
What do you mean?
Did you follow the recipe?
Well, actually, the printer ran out of ink.
Oh, that's annoying.
It's okay. I know exactly what to do next time. With HP Instant Ink, you can have ink delivered straight to your door, so you'll never run out.
This is perfect.